Hi friends, how are you all? I hope you are doing great. So friends, today I'm here and I'm here to share you that when and why I started this English speaking journey. So friends, hi, I'm Aradhna and I'm from Hindi medium. So friends, when I went to college, at that time I realized the value of English, the importance of English. So friends, when I was in school, I was very good at study, and but I was from Hindi medium. I am from Hindi medium, so till 10th standard I was very good. I scored 91% in 10th standard. But when I went to college, at that time I realized the value of English. At that time, when I first day of my college, everyone, all the students were from luxurious family, and they also from very high and luxurious school. But I was from Hindi medium, so while talking, they used to talk in English, and I was from Hindi medium, so I was not able to understand. I used to just talk in Hindi, and some of my friend used to tell me. One of my friend, I remember now, that she used to call me that you are from Hindi medium student, so you're not able to speak, but you should learn this language. And one of my teacher also, she supported me, and she used to tell me. I just tell her that, madam, I'm from Hindi medium, so I'm not able to speak Hindi and English, and even I'm not able to understand the big letters, as big words. So at that time teacher told me, and she make me understand that it's okay, dear. You, from today onwards, what you have to do, that you have to watch whatever you watch, serials, cartoons or movies, whatever you watch in English and with English subtitles. So from that time I started watching movies or cartoons in English, and from that day I started my English speaking journey, English language. So I started focusing on English. So in lockdown also I used to work on myself, and today also, as you can see, I'm while speaking I'm making mistake, but making mistake is completely normal, because making mistake is the learning process. When you will make mistake, then only you will be able to speak. So one of my friend or someone asked me that a Hindi medium student can speak English. So yes, a Hindi medium student can speak English 100%, because I am a Hindi medium, and in front of you I am able to speak this much. This is just because of practice. So I am here to tell you that all my Hindi medium friends, please don't be afraid, and don't just wait or think, and don't afraid of people that what they will say if I will make mistake. I would like to tell you one interesting thing, that my brother, when I used to practice with myself in the mirror, at that time my brother used to tell me, don't be अंग्रेज मत बन. But people will judge you, people will comment on you, but you don't have to think about them. You have to just focus on yourself. So please open your mouth, whatever you know, just start speaking today onwards. So friends, if you want to grow ahead, if you want to be fluent in English, whatever you know, even a single word, start now. When you will open your mouth, when you will speak, then only you will be improved day by day. So I'm here. If you want to have a conversation with me, you can mail me and we can have conversation. And please start your English speaking journey as I have started, and I'm learning. I'm, this is my journey. I'm still learning, I'm still making mistakes. So you also start learning, start making mistakes, then one day you will be fluent. So all the best, and please comment me. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe. Bye.